pump room ventilation calculation. This will be providing underground basement or ground basement also. These pump rooms will be all mechanical equipment keeping inside the pump room. So in this area already AC also provided in this pump room. Need to do cooling also in this room. So in cooling also required and ventilation also required. Ventilation is extract and backup pressure also required. So what we will do now, how to do this pump room calculations. This pump room calculation uh, we have formula area into height into air changes. Now same like what we did previous podium's basement car park area. Same formula we can use here also, but only air changes only changing. This air changes international standards also there, and every country we have civil defense as per we need to provide as what civil defense saying air changes. So we need to follow their civil defense standard also. Now in this case, my there is my this pump and this is my pump room. In this pump room, see there is a lot of pump is there. So in this area, uh, this pump this there is a one lower is there, one lower is there. Normally this lower we need to provide opposite side. A 5 meter extract and fresh air 5 meter distance is required. Now how to do? I will explain now how to do this calculation. See, this is my formula area into height into air changes meter cube per hour. 189 my area, 3 my this pump room height, 20 this air changes, 11,340 divided by 3.6. So I get it 3150 extract fan rate. So in this 3150 extract fan rate, so I will multiply into 85%. What I get at extract from that extract, I will made it into 85% of Macaf. So 2677, I get it Macaf air fan. So in this two fans, now I will provide. Sometimes we are providing almost we will provide equipments inside this room only. So only lowers only from lowers only we are throwing outside the building. There is a MHU. This one is extract. This is a pump room. How to we do? I will show you one small project how I did. This is my project. Last time I did this one. Same. See this area. My all pump rooms is there. This is extract area. This is uh, fresh air backup. Next I will explain how to do how to calculate kitchen MAHU and ecology. Kitchen also we have two fans is there. MAHU and ecology. Ecology means only this kitchen area where kitchen already when we are doing kitchen extract there is a lot of smoke is there. In this smoke we need to throw outside. So there is from kitchen hood is there. This is the kitchen hood area. So in this kitchen also we need one ecology unit and backup. Ecology unit means they are throwing extract air outside. In oil everything they are throwing this from this fan throwing outside. MAHU also providing cooling the air inside the natural cooling. In this ecology unit MAHU we need to maintain distance minimum 5 meter. That is a defense on the site. So how to calculate this kitchen MAHU and ecology calculation? Same thing. Now area into height into air changes meter cube per hour. Same formula, but only changing area. Now see 79 my area, 3 is my room height, but there is air changes will be changed. 40 air changes. Now 9480 divided by 3.6, 2633 by liter per second. Ecology unit 2633 liter per second. This 2633 from extract to 85% we are multiplying. So MAHU I get it MAHU from 2238. This is my kitchen uh, food and ventilation calculation design method. I will show you one project how I did this one. This P line area, my kitchen area. So what I did, there is already FC is there. There also FC, there also FC. This one only cooling purpose. So what I did, there is we don't know where exact coming kitchen equipments would, but proposing only I did now proposal only. See 2633 my kitchen extract and backup extract 2238 MAHU. So in this one, now we did only design stage only. Sometimes as per kitchen, normally kitchen extract will be specialist only they will do as per they have some regulations is there specialist, but we will provide 90% design our side as a mechanical engineer. So remaining 100% they will do in specialist. Almost it matches, not a issue. This will be match. This is a way we need to do kitchen mature calculation. Same thing, this markup MAHU duct size, we need to do this double the same image what we get kitchen extract and image from duct only. This room kitchen fresh air will be coming from duct here, and extract also from duct only. This is a way we need to do kitchen extract and MAH calculations.